Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is class 10 study material and important questions likely to be asked in 2024. So this is our target to achieve 80 out of 80. Part A physics done, check out playlist or videos, and part C biology also done. This is part B chemistry. So last year questions in April 2029, the chapter name is chemical reaction and equation. In this chapter from this chapter the questions asked are: in April 2029, name the brown fumes liberated when lead nitrate is heated. Write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. This carries 2 marks. So nitrogen dioxide, and the brown fume liberated when the lead nitrate is heated is, the brown fume is nitrogen dioxide, and the equation is this. So this carries 2 marks. Then in 2019 only, April 2019, another question, total 4 marks question will come from this chapter. Draw the diagram of the apparatus used in the electrolysis of water. Label the following parts: graphite rod and cathode. So this is the diagram. This carries 2 marks. Next come to June 2019. The possible chemical reaction among the following is. So choose the correct answer. So answer is C. Next, second, choose the correct answer is this. The type of above chemical reaction is, answer is D, displacement reaction. So 2 multiple choice questions were asked, and the diagram of a part of same, that diagram only. So next come to, in April 2020, the reaction is given, that oxidized and that is reduced. This name reaction in the reactants as, so here oxidized reactant is hydrogen and reduced reactant is copper monoxide, so copper oxide. Next question, this carries 3 marks question. So this is 1 mark, this is 3 marks, total 4 marks question will come from this chapter. Question is, the reaction of barium chloride with aluminum sulfate solution is an example for which type of chemical reaction? Why? Write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. So this is the answer and the reaction. Next come to September 2020. Choose the correct answer, 1 mark and 3 marks for this question. Choose the correct answer to prevent the acidity. Then next question, second question, this carries 3 marks. Answer is given, copy down the answers. In 2021, so there is no, this chapter was not considered. Come to April 2022, multiple choice questions. The gas liberated at the cathode in the electrolysis of water is hydrogen. Then the reaction is given, name the reactant, that is oxidized and reduced. The oxidized reactant is C and reduced reactant is ZNO. Then that means zinc oxide. Write the balanced chemical equation of the following reactions. So chemical equation is this. Our question is also given, which type of chemical reaction takes place when an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution? Why? Write a balanced chemical equation for this chemical reaction. So chemical displacement reaction, because more reactive iron displaces copper from the copper sulfate solution. So this is the reaction. Next come to June 2022. Draw a diagram of arrangement of apparatus. That one only we already done. This is, then see in April 29 that diagram. See here, see April 2019, you will get the diagram. Next come to second question, the chemical reaction that takes place between sodium sulfate and barium chloride is called double displacement reaction. Why? Write the balanced chemical equation. So there is an exchange of ions between the reactant sodium sulfate and barium chloride. So reaction is this. Then our question is given with answer is this, is your 2022 paper. Next come to April 2023, one multiple choice question and the second question is, packets of chips are flushed with nitrogen gas. Why? To prevent chips from get oxidized, to prevent rancidity. Next one, an iron nail is dropped into a test tube having copper sulfate solution. The iron nail is gradually turns into brownish color. Why? Since iron is more reactive than copper, it displaces the copper from the copper sulfate solution. Displaced copper get deposited on the iron nail. Next come to calcium oxide. Next question with answer is done. So this is your April 2023 paper. Next come to June 2023. One multiple choice question, one 1 mark question and 2 mark question. Next, this is very important, most likely questions for 2024. This may ask in your next upcoming question paper. So first question, the copper coin is kept in a solution of silver nitrate for some time. What will happen to the coin and color of the solution? Copper coin will get a coating of silver metal. The color of solution will turn blue. Next question will be, what is the precipitation reaction? Give an example. So here is the answer. This is the precipitation reaction and the example. Next, what is rancidity? Write the common method to prevent it. Rancidity is the oxidation of fats and oils when exposed to air is known as rancidity. It leads to a bad smell and bad taste of food. Methods to prevent rancidity is by adding antioxidant, keeping food in airtight container, replacing air by nitrogen, and refrigeration. Next come to name the type of reaction in the following cases. Garbage producing fuel, foul smell, so that is decomposition reaction. Burning of natural gas, that is combination reaction of exothermic reaction. Carbon dioxide gas passed through lime water, this is precipitation reaction. Next question, give an example each for thermal decomposition and photochemical decomposition reaction. Write the balanced equation for the same. So this is the answer. Next question, what happens when carbon dioxide gas is passed through a lime water and why does it disappear on passing excess of carbon dioxide? So lime water turns milky due to the formation of insoluble salt calcium carbonate. So this is the answer with reaction. Next question, a shiny brown colored element X on heating in air becomes a black colored compound. Name the element X and the black colored compound formed. Also write the equation. So element X is copper, black colored compound is CuO, that is copper oxide. This is the reaction. Next question, in an electrolysis water, name the gas collected at the cathode and anode. Why is volume of one gas collected at one electrode is double of the another? Why are few drops of diluted sulfuric acid added to water? So here answer is A, B, C. Next come to why we store silver chloride in dark colored bottles. This is the answer. Because this compound easily undergo photolytic decomposition. Give an example for each. Chemical reaction showing evolution gas, chemical reaction showing liberation of heat, chemical reaction showing formation of precipitate, change in substances color during the chemical reactions. So these are all the reactions. Next come to what happens when food material containing fat and oils are left for a long time leads to observable changes and suggests two ways by this phenomena can be prevented. When food material containing fats and oils are left for a long time, they undergo oxidation and their taste and smell change. This can be prevented by using antioxidants like vitamin A and vitamin C, filling nitrogen can in chips container. So same question, twist is there. So don't get confused. Read the question carefully and answer the question. Next one, identify the type of reaction takes place in each of the following cases and write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction. So this is the chemical reaction. Next question is, a shining metal M and the burning gives a dazzling white flame and changes to a white powder N. Identify M and N. M is magnesium, N is magnesium oxide. Represent the above reaction in the form of chemical reaction. Then does M undergo oxidation and reduction in this reaction? Justify. It's an oxidation reaction because magnesium gets oxidized into a magnesium oxide. So here N is oxide, this obviously it goes to oxidation reaction. Answer. Next, when hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through a blue solution of copper sulfate, a black precipitate of copper sulfide is obtained and sulfuric acid so formed remains in solution. Name the type of reaction and give the reason. Write the balanced chemical reaction. So double displacement reaction, this is the equation. So next question 15, mention with reason the color changes observed then. When silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, copper powder is strongly heated in the presence of oxygen. A piece of zinc is dropped in copper sulfate solution. So when white silver chloride is left exposed to sunlight, its color changes to gray as it decomposes to silver in the presence of sunlight. When copper powder is strongly heated in the presence of oxygen, the reddish brown surface of copper powder becomes coated with a black substance with a copper oxide. When a piece of zinc is dropped in a copper sulfate solution, then the blue color of copper sulfate fades gradually due to the formation of colorless sulfate solution and reddish brown color copper metal gets deposited on the zinc piece. So this is that chapter, first chapter chemistry, first chapter important questions. Next, stay tuned for next chapter important questions and share to your friend. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and check out playlist and my channel. You will get all subject answers, important questions videos with answers. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.